Unlock a galaxy of in-game treasures on Star Pets using your Visa gift card with this ultra-simple guide. First things first, head over to the official Star Pets website. Once you're there, navigate to the shop or gem store section where all the exciting virtual goodies are waiting for you. Browse through the amazing selection of items, from unique pet customizations to helpful boosts or even subscriptions that enhance your gameplay. Find exactly what you want to purchase. When you're ready to check out, you'll be presented with various payment options. Look for the Visa option and select it to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your Visa gift card details. You'll need the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the security code, which is usually a 3 or 4-digit number on the back of your card. Double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Confirm or Purchase button. And just like that, you've successfully used your Visa gift card on Star Pets. Your virtual items will be credited to your account instantly, allowing you to dive right back into the fun.